So this, all right, here. We clean the container first, and then we add the mills. So now we don't need to do that again here. We just fetch the favorite mills, and here again, fetch the favorite mills. Good. Just 1 hour 8 minutes into this app. Yeah. All right. So now we click this. It should fetch again. Awesome. And now we can add this to favorite mill. All right. We want to hide this. So let's see. In an li here, we have an li, right? Yeah. Li.clear. We want this to be background color transparent, position absolute, top 0, left 0. Oh boy, I'm losing my wait. And I want here position relative, like that, and should be up there. It's a weird looking button though. Let's make it right 0. I want border none. Okay. And font size 1.2 rem. Like make it bigger. Let's make -1 rem, -1 rem. Too much. 0.5. All right. And by default, this should be opacity of 0. And this should have a hover. When we hover, the clear should have opacity 1. All right. Yay. Cursor pointer. All right, let's, oh, we also need to, too many things to fix. So we add it, and we add this, and yeah, we can remove it, and remove it, and remove it. Is the search working? Not yet. That's the last thing we need to do. And another thing I'd like to add, this name is a bit too long. Chicken quinoa green salad. How can we fix that? Like shorten the text. Is it like an ellipsis property? CSS text ellipsis. Text overflow. Text overflow ellipsis. Overflow, hidden, no wrap. Let's add them all. Okay, and I think I can do width 75 pixels. Display inline block. All right, something like that. And not the best, but okay. I need no wrap, and I need this too. Yeah, all right, good. I mean, it works, I guess. Yeah, okay. And maybe when, wait. When we hover, although we can do white space, what's the normal? And overflow normal, what's the default? Auto. No, it doesn't work. Wait, when we, oh, okay. So when we hover over the li, can I make it position relative? Still taking up space. absolute. Bottom 0. Left 0. Bottom 1 rem. Minus 1 rem. No, doesn't look good. Add transition so the div change is smooth. Buddy, there are a lot of things we can improve, but let's keep it simple, okay? Keep in mind I have, yeah, not the bug, it's a feature. I have 7 more projects to do. Alright, I guess you can see it from the image. And you can remove it. Okay, let's do the search. And be done. Also, this heart will be a bug, a feature. Because if you add it and then you remove it from here, it doesn't know, so the heart will still... Don't tell anyone. That's a feature. The search. So, what about the search? When, let's see. ID search term. And ID search. When we click this button, we look for the search term and we add the mills here. Easy enough, right? Right, as usual. Someone fix this code. Search term. Okay, home const document get ID like that. And when we search, let's see, function search, search looks a bit suspicious, but oh well. Search, let's add search btn add event listener, click. Whenever we click, search btn. So whenever we click, we want to get a search term, like value. So search term dot value. This is the value of this search. It's a bit odd now. Hey, how's it going? Going good-ish. We are 6 hours away and have 7 projects left to do. So, I'd say okay. Good. And now we need to fix our get mills by search. Response. Const. Some will just have to be rushed. Yeah, this is why I have like simple projects, but some will be rushed. Or I just finish as much as I can, whatever. And const mills will be response data.mills, I think, and return mills. Thank you for the follows and for everything. Sorry I'm not that active in the chat, I'm just doing my best. Get mills by search. And now we get mills by search. Let's see what we have here. Because we need to show these on the page. So I want, let's see, chat. Tell an ingredient. Something, what we should search for. Chocolate. Chocolate. Let's see. Cannot read property value of null. Good. So that's something. Search term. Oh, I forgot to do that. Save. Search. Promise pending. All right, we have a promise that might work someday. Chocolate. Another promise. We're full of promises today. Because, wait. async. No, 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 yes, yes, no. Let's breathe. Whenever we use something like get random meal, we don't need that. Okay, so why? Get meals by search term, get meals by search term. We get the term, we fetch. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. We await this, then we get response, and then we get the meals. You need a chocolate in the array, right? No. Let's see here, console.log meals. Still something here, it's wrong. Let's see. Chocolate. Can I copy this? Pending. Okay, so we get a pending on 148 here. That means we need to wait. Our guess. I'll wait. Whatever. Okay, good. Yay! So we get the meals. And now we need to add all these meals to our favorite container. So const meals will be search, get meals by search, we do await, and then we do meals for each meal, and we call the add meal function with a meal. And now drum rolls. Look at that, read fudge. If we do chocolate here, we search. Yay! So happy. It works. Good. And we can save them to favorite. So hungry. Yeah, I'll be hungry soon too. Now, the issue, or well, I mean, no, it's not an issue. It's not an issue. It's something we can fix. If we say here vanilla, for example, because vanilla is good, the vanilla, it's not a bug, it's a feature. Doesn't they have for each of null? We might not have meals. If meals, then we do this. Interesting. Potato. All right, we have potatoes. Chocolate. So this is my, all right, good. So see, when we search for chocolate, whatever, chocolate, we get the meal at the end. So we basically need to clean up the meals first, and then we're done. There's something we should add, but oh well. Inner HTML will be boof, like that, say what clean container. All right, clean the container, we get a search term, we get the meals. If we have meals, we have the meals. All right, so now we can search for pizza, and it doesn't have pizza. Really? Cannot access meals before initialization. Oops. Because this should be meals element, not meals. Sorry. We can delete this. There is a lot to like clean up here. But yeah, basically this is the DOM element. Let me remove this. And I'll change this to speakers. All right. Good. So now if we search for pizza, look at that, only one pizza. This is a good pizza though. And we can store it there, and we can remove these. And yeah, we can search for chocolate. And look at that, all these chocolates. Get this, and its favorite. The next thing, but I'm running out of time, would be to, well, whenever we click on the meals, basically we want to see how can we create the meals, right? Like the ingredients and all that. Thank you for following. Yeah, so this is good. We can see the meals, but we don't have the receipt. How long have been working on this, Mihai? Do you know? I'm thinking. We could like create a container which is like a pop-up. The mirror array will constantly update, right? No, just once. I'm not sure what that's the question, but so we could have a container. Something to pop up here when we click to be big and show a picture and the ingredients and the steps. Hey, JavaScript, yes. Let's try to do that. I mean, it's not a meal or receipt app if we don't have that. Oh boy. What's the challenge? 10 projects in 10 apps in 10 hours. Meal container like that, and ID meal container meal info. Yeah, let's add that meal info. Yes, it is. Sorry, I'll need to focus on the code. Let's see. How should this look? Let's have the image on the left, and on the right, what kind of details we get. So ingredients, instructions, and measures. Oh boy, I remember this being a bit tricky because we have those things. All right, let's style it. Just have something to show. So H1 meal title image. I guess we can have two divs. Move up, meal, okay. And here in the right, paragraph to be lorem 20 and UL greater than li times 3, ingredient 1, measure like that, and like that. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, now, and this meal info. Meal info position fixed. Wait a second. Meal info container. I'm losing my neurons. So mail info container. This will be position fixed. Background color RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.5, like that. It will be left 0, right 0, top 0, bottom 0, so full page. All right. It will be display flex, align to center, just click on the center. And the mail info should be background color white, like that. Let's make it a max weight of 500 pixels and the width of 100%, maybe more, 600. We need an image. We need an image, just so we can see how it looks. So we need an image, put it here, like that. Awesome. Yeah, something like that. We don't even need like these divs. Let's just clip it clean. All right. Goody. Let's email title. What we have there, H1. So mail info, H1, text line center, mail info image, max width 100%. I think we have. Do we have that image? Yeah, we have it, so we don't need it. Awesome. Mail info, let's have, oops. Padding 2 rem, I just have some space there. Border 5 pixels, border radius 5 pixels, and we also need like a close here. I don't want to be padding top, so let's skip 0 on that. Okay. Good. It doesn't look bad. And we need here like another close. So button, close, pop up. And here again the close icon, which is FA close. No, let's get it from here. Where we have them on a favorite. Here, window close. Wait, there isn't an X. Yeah, times. Okay. Goody. Times. Okay, that button. So let's style it. Mail info. Close pop-up. Class close pop-up. Like that. Position absolute. Top 1 rem, right 1 rem, and then mail info should be position relative. Okay. Background color transparent. We use this so much, we should have just a class for it, but more than none. A lot of buts. Font size 2 rem. 1.5. All right. Cursor pointer. So whenever we click this, we should hide this. Well, the pop-up. All right. ID pop-up. Mail pop-up. Mail pop-up. Document get element by ID. Mail pop-up. And const mail no pop-up close btn document, get element by ID, pop-up close, close pop-up, pop-up close. Oopsie poopsie. So pop-up close now. Pop-up close, add event listener, on click. We want pop-up, meal pop-up, dot style, dot opacity to be 0, and meal pop-up, dot style, dot user, or we can just add a class list that add height, hidden. All right, and here meal info container that hidden, we want opacity 0, user select none. No, user was something with click, pointer events none. All right, so we can click through. Good. That's good. By default, it should be hidden. One second. Okay. All right, and now basically we need to fill in this data whenever we click. So let's add here meal info. Meal info. I don't like the naming convention. I got them all big mixed up. Okay, let's do something else. Pop-up container, and this will be pop-up, and this will be meal info, because this way I can do ID meal info, and I can target it to change everything inside. It will make sense in a second. So pop-up container, pop-up, pop-up, and this will be pop-up. All right, which is hidden by default. If it's not hidden, does it look the same? Nope. Let's put this in here too. No. I'll put this in pop-up and I'll just target it in pop-up. All right. Okay, so now this should close it. Good. And whenever we click, we need to update the pop-up with information. Mail info. Mail pop-up, close button, and I also want const mail info. Get element by ID mail. Whoops, mail info. Hey, Alan Turing, thank you for the follow. How are you? All right, so the mail info. And let's create a function. Function update mail info with a mail data, and this is everything we need to add to it. So const mail info. Wait. Mail info element. Document, create element. What's the, it's a div. Mail info element that append child mail element, and I guess just show mail info. First we update the mail info and then we show it. So mail info that wait, the pop-up now. Mail pop-up class list that add remove. Okay then. So this should show the pop-up, and we need to update it. Mail element that inner HTML will be this. Okay. The mail title will be mail data dot string mail. The mail image would be mail data dot string mail thumb. This will be mail data dot, let's see, instructions, and this one, it's a tricky one. Let's leave it out for now, just to make it work, because basically we need to loop over all the ingredients and the meals and create an array and then add the array to this UL, which we'll do in a bit. Let's just make sure that this works. And we go to show mail info whenever add mail, class mail. Yeah. So I want to also have a mail add event listener to this box. And whenever we click it, I want to show mail info mail data. Let's see. Look at that. Perfect. Almost. Okay. Now for the mail, we want to have cursor pointer. Another thing, whenever we show these meals, I want first to clean it up. Clean it up. Inner HTML. It's an empty string. We then update it and then we append. Right? And we show get. So now we should see this. It's not very scrollable though. Look at how long this is. How do we fix that? Well, for first we could have the pop-up be larger. 800. Okay. And also max height 100 report height. I think with this let's go back to 600. Okay, not yet scrollable. Maybe overflow auto. Yeah, okay, yeah. And let's have some margin to run. No, not really. Oh well. I guess on this, can we have some padding? Not really. Oh well. 1 second. That scrollback looks ugly. We have what we have. All right, and let's do the same thing for this favorite. And with that, we're done. Well, we need the list of ingredients. And then we're done. Oh boy. One project took 2 hours. I need 1 hour per project. We really need to go fast through the other ones. Yeah, you're still with us? Let me also add this here. All right, so show meal info. You're here. Such a good friend. Favorite. Where is favorite? Favorite. So many functions. This is a mess. Here. Favorite meal. Good. So I want basically this, but on the favorite meal. Good. And now, where is it? Favorite. How do we have the favorite? Is an li, right? So let's have cursor pointer on it. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, 10 projects, 10 hours. Awesome. It works. I'll sell this app to make up for the time. Who wants to buy this app? Only $999 for you. Discount from $9,999. So it's like 10%. Well, 90% discount for you, just because you're live. All right. Yeah, let's finish the last thing, the list of ingredients, and let I 0, I less than 20, I plus plus. So basically, there's a thing. You can see here that for some reason, I don't know why, they have the ingredients like this: string ingredient 1, string ingredient 2, string ingredient 3. I mean, why not an array? But this is what we have, and this is what we have to work with. So we need to go, I noticed that it's up to 20. So we need to go to check all the 20 ingredients. And if we have something, to add it in an array, and then that array to show it somewhere here. Okay? All right. Wait, not here. Here. Sorry. Get ingredients and measures. Yeah, good. So now, meal data. If meal data of string ingredient plus I. So if we have this, then we need to store it, else just break out. Thank you for the follows. Okay, so if meal data string ingredient of I, which goes from 1 to 20, then let's see, const ingredients will be an array, and we're going to do ingredient that push. We want to have an interesting string like meal data of this slash meal data of this, but in measure. right? Okay, good. And now these ingredients will go here. We're going to have an UL. Let's have an H3 saying ingredients, measures. I guess just ingredients works. H3, and here we're going to have ingredients dot map ingredient, or I don't know, ing dot join. Wait, not that simple. Because we need an li like that, and here we want ing like that. And look at that, we have ingredients and all the things. I guess not hash, not slash, maybe just a minus. Yeah. All right, good. Our receipt app is done. And we have favorite meals. We can remove. It works. You see, when we click on this X, it also triggers the favorite, so it shows what you're giving up. Oh well, it works. That's it. Done. Third project done. It took too long. Kia haye. I'm not sure what that means. Thank you all for following. PBTIA, Codmad TV, MR Live, Xkakima, Endurance. 3 projects in 3 hours and 20 minutes. For me, it says 3 hours and 17 when I started the recording. So it's not bad. And we can search for carrot. And we can add this to favorite. And yeah. Okay, good. I saw something which is not perfect, but I'll just leave it as it is. That whenever we click, we need to stop the bubbling, but that's something for another day. Let's do the notes app. Actually, take a break. Let's update Twitter that we are 3 apps down, 7 remaining. How much time I have left? 4 hours, no, 5 hours. 5 hours, 30 minutes left. So are you planning to stream for 10 hours straight? I don't have 10 hours. That's the funny part. I just have 5 hours. What they said, 5 hours? Yeah, I have a meeting at 7:30. And now it's 2, so 5 hours, 30 minutes. 7 apps. And they're not the easiest apps. Took too long with this one, 2 hours. And I lost a lot of brain power. And these ones will be harder too, so. All right, let's take a break for 5 minutes. Hello, everyone. Those of you who joined in the meantime. Link. We should call it that. Yeah. Where did you get ideas from? From the app ideas repository I have. Now for the Notes app. Let's slowly start working on it while we take a break. From, whoa, it's so hot. It's just me. Maybe my brain is on fire. I'll die. Okay. Where are you from? Planet Earth. I'm from Romania. All right, let's copy and paste this and change this to Notes app. This is the design, some kind of design. What I'll do for this project. Someone tell me. Wait, let's do it fast. Otherwise, I won't be able to complete 5 hours and 30 minutes. I have 7 projects left. Some of them are not easy. Okay, so Notes app. I want this and want this. I want this to be live server. All right. Notes app. I don't need this. Oh, nice design. Yeah, you can thank Ildi for designing this. UI design Ildi. Okay, so what I want. How it should look. I mean, I like this design, but how we're going to switch between the design, the notes. That's one thing. Another thing, we want to switch between Markdown and, or maybe just add allow text. No, I don't have an auto refresh com extension. It's just the live server on VS Code. Do the design but in a grid like 3-4 per row. Yeah, I thought about it. What I'm doing if the text is too long. Let's just start doing something and we'll see. I'm going to have a notes. Thank you for raiding Codephobia. Thank you very much and welcome everyone to this stream. Hello, how was your stream? Hope you had a great one. We're working on a challenge, 10 projects in 10 hours. And currently we are on the 4th project and we don't have a lot of time left. 4 a.m. for you, whoa, crazy. Thank you for raiding. And hello everyone. Yeah, this is a notes app the next one we're trying to do. Let's design it first. So we're going to have something like a notes div, which on top, let's have the bar of tools or something, tools. And underneath, we're going to switch between text area and the not. That will be the tricky part to figure out this. So this will be a text area like that. And yeah, we're going to use the toolbar to do stuff. Now let's find this color. Oh, we have it here. Perfect. Background color. This one. Whoa, it's, oh no, it's good. And then for the notes, let's have it a fixed width and height and see how it works. Remember to eat something. I'll eat later. Web designs for web developers. UI design daily. This is a good, very good one. Okay, so the notes. Let's make it with. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for $5. You're great. Thank you very much for the donation. Let's have it width, height, 500. Ooh, too much. 400 then. Like that. And as you mentioned, let's have it display flex. Like that, and flex wrap. Okay. Around 8, let's have margin of 20 pixels. Alright, good. Now, the tools. What I want for the tools. So I want a button which will allow me to switch between edit mode and preview mode. And one button to delete. So button, let's find the, oh, I need font awesome. I'll get the link from the previous project, Receipt app. This was a big project, buddy. Such a big project. Too big. Too big for what we wanted. All right, and now I want to see what icon I have for edit. I think pencil O, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we can use this. So FA edit. Okay, apparently I was wrong. So FA edit, and for delete, trash can. Trash alt. Oh, trash. Which one? Ah, trash alt. So this will be FA trash alt. All right. So we have those buttons. Okay. And we also need a button to create a new tab, a new note. That's later. It will come to a block next to you. All right, and let's make this notes, tools, something. We need to make it look somehow. Oh, look at that. Something like that. So this color, background color. Okay, doesn't look too bad. Now let's have a bit of padding, 0.5 rem. All right. And we want it to be display flex and justify content flex end. All right. And we want the nodes, tools, buttons to have a background color of transparent, color of maybe white, and a border of none. I mean, it's not bad, right? Thank you all for following. So many follows today. Okay. Let's have it font size 1.5 rem. It's too much. Ooh, a bit, yeah. 1.2. 1. All right, 1 then. Okay, and margin left 0.5 rem. Good. And underneath this part, so notes, let's see. We have the tools, and we have the containers, or the main. Yeah, that's main. Although we have a main tag, but we shouldn't use it only once on the page. So the main nodes, main. I want this to be width 100%, height 100%. Something's wrong. Why are you not using CSS to make it easier for you? I like CSS, just pure CSS. Nodes, text area, width 100% and height 100%. All right, something like that. And border none. So now we could potentially write here and have this thing and this, and yeah, let's have font family inherit. All right. What happens when we reach down? Okay. And whenever we click this button again, it should convert back to outline none. Yeah, and that too. Thank you for subscribing, Argo. Thank you very much. Highly appreciate it. Outline none. Now, the trick will be to convert this to Markdown. And for that, I'm going to use a library. Marked, right? CDN. CND, CDN. A Markdown parser built for speed. That looks good. Let's add it here. Script source. Like that. And let's see. How can we use it? I guess just calling the marked. Yeah, marked. And we give it the value of the input. All right. Now the trick will be to keep track of all the nodes. We're going to have a button to add a node somewhere. And whenever we click the edit button for that node, we need to switch between its data. And considering that my breakpower is off, I have no idea right now how to do that. So basically we need to switch between this. Oh, wait. I have another idea. What if we have this? And we switch between them. So I could do this, display none. And whenever I click this, I show the other one. And the text area could have like an on input event listener. And whenever we type inside, it updates the main. Good. Goody. We can type. Awesome. And this button will just trigger. I like it. Me likey. Let's do it for one, and then we can figure out how we can do it for all of them. Right? Yeah. So I want edit, delete. Document get element query selector, edit, and const delete btn document that query selector delete. Okay. Let's also get const note document query selector notes. Well, I guess notes element. So now when we edit btn that add event listener on click, what they want to do is notes element I want to toggle between the main and the text area. Main document notes element that query selector main and text area notes element query selector text area. Okay, So nodes main dot class list dot toggle hidden, and text area class list dot toggle hidden. So basically we just toggle between their hidden class, which we don't have yet, but we will. So we can even do something like nodes star hidden. Oh wait, nodes hidden display none. Display none. Right? And this should not be display none, but we add it default hidden. All right, and now this is text area, this is the other thing, text area and the other thing. Pretty cool. And when we add here, we don't have here. Awesome. Now on our text area, we want to add event listener, input e const value. Woo, what I did. E like that, and I want the main.inner HTML to be marked of value. Let's see. Hello poppers, and when I click this, nothing. Why not? Marked input parameters undefined or null. Either target. Hello. Hello. Hello world. And now we have an H2. Awesome. The only issue is that I see the text area has a bigger height for some reason. Not sure why. But oh well, it's a small thing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's Markdown. It works. Haha. Pretty fun. Font size 1.2 RAM. Maybe make it bigger. Yeah, like that. I still don't know why the 400 by 400 and this. Oh, are you getting your challenge project from source code or choose yourself? I chose myself. I'm thinking. So one of it has a bigger height. Or I guess it's hidden. The text area is not. Huh. That's interesting. I guess you know what I can do is just say a fixed height of 400 pixels like that. And now this should be the same. No. Is the padding top of the H2? No, you can see that the main is not visible. Oh, wait, background color, white. All right, now this is bigger. So that's one thing then. Oh, now the main, because of this, has a bigger. No. Wait. All right, finally. It got the margin of the first child, so with overflow hidden, we just fix that. All right, and here we can say hello, mom, and hello poppers, and we can have even links if we want, something like Florian pop and https florianpop.com. Edit. Look at that, we have a link. It's Markdown, which is interesting. Hey, I'm still alive. Awesome. Now, we did it for one node. What we need to do is add the ability to have multiple nodes and also the ability to remove a node. How do we make this individual? That's the question. Let's have a button which will say add node. Pretty button, very pretty. Let's make it pretty. Background color that, wait, let me store this before. Don't want to lose it. I worked so hard for it. So I want this, I want it to be margin 2 rem auto. I want it to have color white, padding 0.5 rem 1 rem, border 0, border radius 3 pixels something or none. And maybe I have a plus icon. FA plus, yeah. Let's see. Alright. I guess, wait, we could even remove this and make it position fixed, top 1 rem, right 1 rem, and put it there. And whenever we click this, we want to add a new node. Florian is still alive, yeah. Good. ID add. So now add btn document that get element by ID add, and add btn that add event listener click. Whenever we click, we want to add note, add new note. Okay, something like that. Function add new note. What we want to do, const note document create element div node.class list add note. Not sure why I use notes with an S. Control Shift U. No, there was a command I could add them all. Note like that. So we add a note and body that document that body that append child note, and node that inner HTML will be the stuff we just did here. All right, and interesting part is that we can copy this, right? Put it here, and instead of having document here, we can have note, and get. Oh no, we have the notes element. No, don't need that. Where we use the notes element? I don't see. Oh, here. So the node query select, we get the edit button, we get the delete button, which we haven't used yet. Oh, but we can. Wait. So delete btn that add event listener, click, and we can just say, if I can type, come on, note.remove. This will delete it. Now let's see. Main will be note, query selector main, and note. Will this work? It should work. Let's see. I'm scared to try. If it does, yeah, well, we're good. Yay, so first click, it worked. Failed to execute the pen child on node, parameter 1 on node, script 43. Oh, not that, just node. And I also want this button, where is it? To have cursor pointer. I hate when the buttons don't have a cursor pointer. And buttons here also, cursor pointer. All right, add a note. And we can say, this is my first note. And we can save it. Haha! Look at that, another note. Like I say, I love CSS and JavaScript. And we kind of see, we need to figure out, like, I mean, you can't see the difference between, oh, I guess this thing, but oh well. It works, I can't believe it. And we can delete. Yay! Sorry, I'm just too excited. Cheers! It works. Oh boy. It works. Just a couple of things. Let's go, boys and girls. How can we, like, when we edit, to say, okay, edit mode and not edit mode? Sorry. Change background. Oh, see, that's why I like to have smart people around me. Box shadow, I want a bit of a shadow. My good old-fashioned shadow, which doesn't look good blocked. All right, good. Yeah, so basically the main could be another color, like EEE, for example. And yeah, when we edit is this, when we not, is that. Make it have an outline maybe. Add note, hello boys and girls, and done. Now, how much time did we spend on this, Mihai? Can you tell? Probably 30 minutes. What I want to do, oh boy, that will be hard. But basically, we kind of need to store it in local storage, right? Can we find, is there an event which will tell us when we close the browser? What I'm thinking is that we can keep adding and removing and stuff. And when we close the window, we could like store to local storage. And then when we open it up, oh, but it'd be hard because we need all of these. On before unload. So I'm thinking, let's say we store, basically we need to store the text area value. And when we retrieve it, we get the local storage, we get all of these, we create a node, and we add the node to have the text area value. If you mess with local storage, just save it right away. And that. Yeah, I'm thinking. It's harder and harder to think. So maybe I'll just leave it like a good to have. For some reason, my head hurts. That's the only thing that we'll lose everything when we... So I could do here to store the locals, the value. But then, so basically in local storage, we can save an array of text. I don't know how to use Service Worker with IndexedDB, sorry. If I knew, I would be genius. So what I'm thinking is, whenever we change the text area, we kind of need to figure out which text we change. Because when we retrieve, we will have an array of strings, and I loop over the strings and create the nodes with the strings. That wouldn't be that hard. But when we save, oh boy. Just serialize all nodes into the JSON string. Yeah, but here, for example, in this text area, I need an array. So I need to do something like local storage dot set item nodes, and I need the nodes text. You know, so I need to change this, but also the older ones, like all the nodes. Wait, I can do that. I can just get all the nodes on the page and store them. Yeah. Oh. Local storage set item nodes and stringify nodes. Like all the nodes, like the DOM elements. And I'll just recreate them. No, I was thinking just to store the text area. But you have a point. And I just add it. No, just their data. Let me try something. If you gave me that idea. Update local storage. Update local storage. I want to get all the nodes. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Might not work though. All the event listeners. I shouldn't work. Nah, not work. Too crazy. Hello, Bernard. Okay, let's just do const text all like notes, like notes text will be document that query selector all text area, and I'm going to do notes will be an array. I don't have that, right? And I'm going to do notes text that for each note I'm going to do notes that push note that value, and at the end local storage that set item notes notes that JSON that stringify notes. Hello, first time here. Welcome. What's up? We're working on projects, a lot of projects. Okay, so I store all the notes value, hopefully. And retrieve ls, or I don't know. Wait. At the beginning. Notes, let's see. JSON that parse local storage that get item notes. If notes, then I want to, if it's not null, if it notes, I want to go notes that for each note I want to do add new note, and I want to add the data note. And here I'll have the note, which initially is an empty, it could be an empty string. And for this text area, which is this text area, that value will be a note. So by default, it will be an empty string. Whoa. Okay, so I add the note, which doesn't work now anymore because note has already declared. All right, so this will be text, and text area value text. So the text is inside there. 58 doesn't have something. Where did I mess up? Hey, what's wrong? 58. Oh, function. So I can have this to be empty string. All right, so I click this, we get a new note. I save here, Florine is not cool, and it should be saved to local storage. Florine is not cool. When we refresh, it's there. What? If we delete, it's there. What? When we delete, we also want to update ls. Let's see. The chat is cool, though. Cool. All right. Oh, look at that. So we also need to, yeah. So we do this, and also want to do main inner HTML to be marked. So like that. All right. And awesome. Cool. Although there is a slight issue that it will show the editable version, like not the one you can eat, but you know, I want this. So I'll do that fast. Thinking, where is it? Here. So I want to say, if we have a text, then I want this to be, do we have text? I want this to be the, otherwise it will be hidden on this one, and the same thing will go here. So basically, but well, the reversed. if we have text, this will be hidden. And otherwise, no. Not sure if it makes sense. So basically, we're seeing if we get the text from the new node, then we need to have a text and we need to show the node. If not, then we need to show this. And we can edit it like that. Good. Just a slight issue here. I want padding top 3 rem. Get that. Okay. Someone is tired. Oh boy. Time to sleep. I don't have time to sleep. I have 6 more projects to go. But this is cool though. So cool. Notes. Do they have margin? Whoa, so look at that. We have now this is like a feature and it could be a bug. So we have these nodes which are empty, and when we refresh they go away because they're empty. What? No time to eat food, just feed by code. Exactly. And when we delete, it works. Awesome. I don't know. I should get an Oscar for this. That's a feature. It is a feature. You don't want to store the blank notes. Awesome. Next one. I have headache. Let's brag on Twitter. How much time I have left? 5 hours. That's not bad. Remaining left. Wait, what I'm doing? 6. Okay. Good. Thank you, Ildi, for designing. Now, what's the next one? Drawing app. Oh boy, can we do the to-do? So the drawing app needs me to work with the canvas, and I haven't worked in a while, so I need to research. So I'll just move this down the list. I'll put it here. Don't tell anyone. This will be 8. This is 7. This is 6. This is 5. So we do the to-do now. Which is fun. Because it's kind of the same as the Notes app. But we'll have a different design. I want to have something similar to this. Where you add to-do. And you have all these. React will make it so much easier. To-dos are not notes. That's true. Yeah, because it's a different feature, like kind of. All right, let me go to the bathroom. Where is that? Copyright, music, free. Hopefully I can play this. This thing. Yeah, you can't hear it, right? Wait. All right, now you can. Please tell me this is not copyrighted. All right, be right back. Goody. Hello. I'm back. Please tell me it's not copyrighted. You must include the full credits to video description. You cannot claim music as your own, you cannot sell, you cannot use. Sure. Alright. Hello everyone. Let me do one thing. I might be able to buy me some more time. We're up for 4 hours and we finished 4 projects, right? I think I'm right. So that means that I should have 6 hours, but I have a meeting. So let me see if I can postpone the meeting. Yeah, I'm up for 5 hours and 30 minutes, but I worked 1 hour and so to prepare. So yeah, I'm recording for 4 hours right now. Let me, all right. I tried to postpone my call. Let's see if it works. Oh. Can I get link for readmd? I don't have it up. All right, so if I get this time, I'll have, I get 30 minutes extra. Not a lot. 7 viewers. Hello. Hello, everyone. Say, where are you from? Let's see, where are people watching from? Germany, Hungary. Well, it's a liar. Everyone is a liar. Okay, Brazil, UK. Whoa, nice. India. Don't we have any Romanians? Well, Mihai. South Africa. Hey, welcome. All right. I stretched a bit while I was in the bathroom. So, oh, by the way, this is by so far the longest stream I have. We started the challenge 4 hours ago, 4 hours and 10 minutes ago, but I started streaming 5 hours and 40 minutes ago. So yeah, fun stuff. Some will say, others will say crazy stuff. Good. Let's do the to-do app. The to-do app should be simpler. You streamed for 38 hours. What? Crazy. So let's see, the to-do app. I want it to look something like this. So whoever created it, I don't know, thank you. Okay, so we need a, not true. Oh, maybe it won't be exactly like this, but like the main idea. Like this gray and the to-dos here with that color, something like that. Double click to edit a to-do. Oh, created by Pete Hunt. Pete Hunt, let's salute Pete Hunt. Pete Hunt, thank you. X-React team at Facebook. Okay, with React this will be definitely way better, but yeah. Yeah, this has a lot of small features, which I might not add. But let's see. We're going to have an input where we can add stuff. Whenever we submit that input, we want a to-do to appear underneath. That to-do can be completed or, well, that to-do can be toggled. We might use a line through or something. We'll see. And how do we delete? Oh, okay, we have an X. So whenever we hover over, we have an X, we can delete it. That should work. Playing WebGL and JavaScript without libs is a learning experience. Yeah, I bet. All right, have an itchy nose. Good. Let's get this party started. Some said. All right, copy and paste the base project where we have just the index HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This will be notes, not notes, to-do app, to-do app. All right, I want this to be live server. I want this and this and this. Okay, and this will be to-do app. Here we're going to have that nice to-dos, big one. All right, and underneath we'll have our thing. Oh, background color. Does it have like, it's just me or have a like gradient? Let's check. Like on the body. No. F5. Okay. I'll use that, don't tell anyone. Shh. Okay. Then the H1, let's make it text align center and color. I'm going to make it Rebecca purple, but with, so that has opacity or something very subtle, maybe like this. See, I'm not copying everything. The font size 4 rem, make it big, and well, you know what, I can just do opacity 0.4 and make it bigger. 10. Right there. You just tired. Will you share the stream on YouTube after? That's my thing, yeah. That's my thing, that's my... I'm sleepy. That's my plan, yeah. Alright, focus, because people watching on YouTube probably, and I don't want them to laugh that hard. Good. So let's do the same thing we did with the Notes app. Shall we? Basically, we have the input whenever we type in and hit enter, so we need a form. And yeah, ID form, because that's very smart. And here we want an input with an ID of, guess what? Input. And I want to style it, so I'll have a class of input. Very fancy. Okay, look at that, we already have it there. So the form, let's make it a width of 400 pixels and a max width of 100 pixels, 100%. And we can also have margin auto. Awesome. And now the input, I want it to be width 100%, display block, padding, big padding, 1 rem, 2 rem, all like that. What else, like design wise? Okay, maybe the padding is too big. font size to RAM. Okay, better. And input, there is the changing the placeholder color, or no? No. Oh wait, I don't have a placeholder first. Placeholder, enter your to-do. All right, that I want to change. CSS placeholder. Oh, just that. Okay, that's doable. So input placeholder. I want the color to be, sure. Let's use F5, F5, F5. How does that look like? 2, maybe B5, B5, B5. All right. And when we type here is like that. Very bold. Very bold. Okay. Good. It looks almost exactly the same, which is nice. So whenever here we enter Ivan, for example, and we press enter, we want to do something, not refresh the page. So form and what? Input. You know why I'm talking too much? Because I'm tired. My wife knows. My wife knows. All right. So form that add event listener on submit, because the form will be submitted and we do not want it to be submitted. So prevent default. No, we don't submit you. And we want to get the, let's call it to do, which will be input.value. If to do not, then we return I guess I could do if to do, then we want to add the to do to a list. All right, so let's think. A list, we need a list. I have these things messed up a bit. Okay. A list. This is a to-do. Oh, look at that. Doesn't look that bad. To-dos. All right, in our to-dos, I want it to be background color white. Perfect. Padding 0, margin 0. Perfect. List style type none. Perfect. And well, yeah, let's see. To-dos li. I want this to have a padding of the same type. Oh, padding and font size. This. Padding and font size. Doesn't look that good though. Okay, I need lines and yeah, I need to make it look a bit better though. Input border none. Okay, and I need, well, border, let's try border bottom. How does this look when you don't have any? Okay, so it has a shadow, no border. Good. Box shadow. Let's see. Something about lines 0, 4 pixels, 10 pixels, RGBA 0.1. I'm guessing. Okay, and whenever we add something, I figured out. So the box shadow is on the form. Voila. And the list item has a border top of 1 pixel solid b5 b5 b5. Too much. f5 f5 f5. Too slow. Too slow. Too little. Okay, good. So now I don't want this. So I think is autocomplete off. Yeah. Good. Now let's continue our script. So if to do, I want to get the to-dos, and I want to add to the to-dos. If to do const do element will be document that create element and li, and to do element that inner text will be the to do, and to do's that append child the to do. As simple as that. And now let's see. Finish the projects. Enter. Enter. Append child and node parent node. To do's. Oh, to do element. Sorry. This is text. To do text. All right, good. Okay, let's see. Finish the challenge. Yeah, awesome. And now we need to empty the input. Input the value is empty, right? Enter. Yeah, awesome. It's a small to-do app. All right. Goody. Let's add something. To-do element that add event listener. Whenever we click on the to-do, we want to toggle class list, a toggle completed. And completed will be text decoration overline. Is that a thing? Apparently not. Oh wait, this is done by us, so this doesn't have the event listener. Oh, okay. Overline. It's strike through. Strike through. Let's just search. CSS strike through. I can't type. Text decoration. Okay. Line through. You spelled it wrong. I spelled it totally wrong. Ha! Look at that. We can click it. And whenever we hover over, cursor pointer. All right. Nice. Although, like the line is a bit weird. But at least works. Change the font color to gray. Oh, good call. Our E5. No. B5. And this should be a bit darker. D5. Alright. I guess. Or you could set the opacity. Or that. Hello world. And boom. Now let's just delete the to-dos and we'll be done. I want to add this. Should I? Yeah. I'll see. How do we delete it? I have an idea. Double click. No. Right click. Do we have a right click event? Right click event JavaScript. Context menu. Ooh, noise. Let's try it. I won't copy, I'll type it. So to do element that add event listener context menu, and we need to e.prevent default, and I'll just do to do element that remove. Test. Look at that, it works. Well, double click will just toggle test like that. So double click will toggle this, you know, but right click will remove it. How cool is that? And let's add a small text here. Right click right to delete the to do. Not in the form. Let's add it outside. Come on. What's wrong with you? Are you in something? No. You know what? I had enough. I'll fix you once and for all. Display flex, align in center, just like on center. Flex direction column. Mean height 100% heights. And now margin auto no. I don't like it that much too. Okay, better. And small margin top 3 rem. And color B5. Right click to delete to do. Alright. Hello, how are you today? Good. Namaste. Will this whole video be uploaded on YouTube? Yes. If I finish. If I manage to finish, yes. If not, yes. I don't know. Should we add to local storage as we did to the nodes? Oh wait, I also need to say left click to mark as complete and right click to whatever. I mean, I can do this rather and have a break line. Okay, and I also want to have text line center. Left click to mark as complete, left click to toggle, left click to toggle complete, right click to delete. What Brave extension do you use? Not much. Webalizer and I don't know, daily dev, JSON viewer. Okay. I kind of don't like this. And the black is too black. Maybe 323. Does it take it? Okay, it takes it. 765. And I want that to the input too. Why I don't like it? No. It's weird. It's weird. 444 and 444. All right, good. Thank you for follow, Eki Hooksa. Ouch! Did you hear that? That were my fingers. All right, we can add and remove. How hard will be to? Hard. It will be hard. No, it won't. It won't be hard. Let me show something. Add to do. Ah, my fingers. All right. Good. And here. Yeah. I'm thinking it's I was thinking to add it to local storage. We just need to this time we need to store an array of objects with the text and the completed tag flag. Update local storage. I want to const notes. Okay. Document get element. Query selector. All the LIs. Yes, Phoenix. Vanilla JavaScript the same as JavaScript. Notes for each note. I want to const notes element, and we have a notes here, which will be an array, and notes. Hopefully, I don't mess up. So the notes element are the list items, so the DOM elements, and the notes will be an array of the notes. And the notes element will be the note element. And here I want the nodes to push an object, which will have text to be note element that a note element that inner text, and completed. I want to have the note element that class list that contains completed. So if it's completed, it will have a class of completed, so we store that to local storage. And here, local storage that set item notes to be JSON that stringify notes. Let's see what we are doing here. So we don't have. Oh, why notes? Sorry, not notes. To-dos. Not notes. To-dos. Sorry. And here, to do. I got mixed up with the to do with notes we did before. Okay, so when I say here fluorine is not cool, enter. Nothing happened. Oh, because we haven't updated. Duh. Fluorine is not cool. I forgot an S. I'll see. All right, look at that. To-dos, text for is not cool, completed false. If I toggle this, how do we keep track of that? That will be interesting. Maybe stored ID? Oh boy. Because otherwise, how do we know which object we want to change the completed to false or true? We need to target it, so... maybe an ID. Or maybe we should have, you need to know that yeah, I kind of need to know because I want to loop over all the to-dos. Or I guess we can use the text. Let's try to use the text. Oh, wait. I'm dumb. Why? We just need to update it, and it will reset it. As simple as that. I'm a dumb sometimes. We just update ls and it will get it on its own. Sorry for the noise outside. Someone does stuff. All right, so hello. Look at that. Hello, completed false. We completed true. Bingo. So we just switch and it knows. Look at that. Bingo, 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 bingo. All right, all we have to do now is whenever we come back to the page, I've done a lot of stupid stuff here. This is the to-dos like the UL. This is the to-dos like the list element. Don't do this. And to-dos, we have to-dos here too. To-dos UL. Let's change it to this. Okay. Someone is working outside. I might need to close the window. Good. So now we can get to the to-dos from json.parse local storage get item to-dos, and if to-dos, if we have the to-dos, then we have to add to-do to-dos for each to-do we want to add it to-do with a to-do. And now here when we add a to-do, oh boy, if to-do, then we want to do something else, we want to do something else, like create a new to-do. A bit lazy way here. So if we have the to-do Basically, we need to do all of these. So wait. Let's go back. If to do... Okay, I know. So to do text will be input val. If we have the to do, then the to do text will be to do that text, right? We kind of reset it. All right, so then it will create it, and we need to find out if we have the class list or not. So to do element that class list that add completed. So if to do that completed, then we add it here. Come on, work, please, work. All right, let's see, refresh. Perfect. We do that, refresh, works. We delete it, refresh, works. Delete it, refresh, works. Create a new one, doesn't work. Perfect. Why not? Can I read property completed of undefined? Oh. Oops. So if we have a to do, oh, you know what? Wait. This can be by default an object. Yeah. And then we shouldn't have that problem, but it still doesn't work. Because it will set the to do text to be to do the text. Yeah, let's do something else then. We can check here if we have the to do. If we have the to do, all right, finally. Stores, removes, remains, refresh. All right, good. It works. Done. Fifth one. With 15 minutes to spare. Moving up. Boy. Oh boy. Movie app. Another fun one. Let's brag again on Twitter. All good. Yeah. I need to check. Yeah, I didn't got a reply yet. So you're a maniac. Isn't a maniac like a bad thing? Oh well. All right. 5 down, 5 remaining, and we have 5 hours and 15 minutes left. Added more. Wait. Got some extra time as I postponed a meeting. All right. So we started 4 hours ago. We have 5 remaining. Basically, look at this. If someone reads this, basically we completed an app and we gained 15 minutes. Maniac is a good thing in the context. All right. Good. Let's move on. Although for the to-do app, we could also have like the items left and these fancy things in a world where, I don't know, we have time. All right, let's see the next one. Ooh, movie app. I'm thinking massive inflation. Thank you. we need a movie API. And then we can do something similar to the receipt app. Sorry. Have a list of movies, you can search for a movie, and you can see the movie info. Not a lot of other things though, because I'll focus more on the design part. And you can, like, I'll add a button, you can buy the movie, send me all the money, and I'll watch the movie, you know? We can add it too. All right, kidding. Let's go. Public APIs. And I want to movie. What movie API you used? Someone in the Discord created. Const API URL. What's that? Oh, we need an API key? Ouch. Why? Why? Oh, thank you. Where is you? API URL API key. Oh, okay, thank you. This is to have friends, to have like, not sure how we say it in English. In Romanian we say tsai pile. I don't know. To have like good friends who can help you in certain situations, like this. All right, copy and paste. Rename. Movie app. Next time I'll do this with React, which would be much better. Although I guess the how to say? Sorry. The first part, like creating the React app, will be harder. The boilerplate, create React app, that will be not harder, like taking more time. Movie app. Good, I have the API key, let me add it. Live server. I think after this stream I'll take a week break, a month, a year. API key. All right, and API URL. Let's store that too, so we don't have. What's this? Alias. You have a lot of things here, buddy. We need to study the API to see. Top rated movies, upcoming movies. Where is the API? Oh, API documentation. Okay, here. You gave me. Can I? This API is big. I was thinking that we can just like get a list of movies. Collections. Yeah, Mihai, sorry, use this. Movies, sort by popularity, the same API. Okay. So this is the link which will, let's see what this gives us. Thank you for the API. So this gives us 500 movies. Okay. Poster pad. Hey, Dritbot. Hey, thank you very much for the raid. How was your stream? This is our third raid. I guess if you're streaming for 6 hours, that might happen. Thank you very much, and hello everyone. We're building 10 projects in 10 hours, and we're currently at the 6th project, which is a movie app. Yeah, I guess that's all. Sorry, I'm tired. All right, we're looking at the API of the movie. We're looking how the API looks from the movie DB. The movie DB. Yeah, look at that. I nailed it. All right, so we get 10,000. Oh, we have pages and all that. I see. All right. I guess I can use this API URL, and then we can just see what kind of movies we have, and we can also search by movie. I can literally feel how I'm getting dumber with every project. Get movies. It will be sync, await, fetch, API URL, response. You also need this for image. Yeah, I saw something in your image URL. Okay, yeah, thank you. Don't give me too much. People will say that I cheated. Although you only give me the links. So yeah, cheers. Okay, so that's the response. We want the response data to be await response.json. Yeah, thank you. And we want to return response data like that, right? Now let's see, console.log get movies. What we get? A promise. That's a thing. All right. Goody. We get 20 movies. This is the most popular. Oh, and the poster path. So that's what I need to use. Okay. Const. I need the image path. My back hurts a bit. All right. And to this I add the like that, right? Okay. We have the body. Let's just add the images to the body. See what happens. So response data that results that for each movie I want to create an image. So const image document that create element image, and image that source to be image path plus movie dot, let's see, movie dot poster path. Poster path. Now the only issue is that this, I think we don't need that because it has a slash there. All right. And I want to do document that body append child image. And we should have, look at that. Ooh, very cool. So these are like the top 20. These look like good movies. I haven't seen this. Now I want to look at movies. Alright, so the top 20 movies. Now we need to also think about how we're going to look at that. It has categories and stuff. Thank you for the follow, Typhoon. So I could just like create a box, a small box with a movie, and I can get the image and name and the rating. Do we get rating? Total pages 500. Oh man, so many. Popularity, votes count, video, vote average. Okay, so I can use that. And we can make kind of this layout or something. Let's create that. Let's have a main where we're going to have these movies, and it will have an image. With that source. Underneath it will be movie info, and it will have the title, H3, movie title, and in a span we're going to have something like 8.4 or something. Good. I won't do this here anymore. Still does it. Why? Something's wrong. Hello. Yes, it will be. Now, why do we have the... Oh, I think this is the first image. Dummy, you dummy. You dummy. Okay, movie. Width, 300 pixels. Height, 400 pixels. Just random numbers. And movie image, max width, 100%. Okay, finally. Good. Let's add this background color because it looks cool. Like that. And yeah, let's make this box. We want a border radius, 3 pixels, box shadow. I think those of you who are watching from the beginning kind of get bored with everything I'm doing now. 0, 4 pixels, 5 pixels, RGBA, 0, 0, 0, 0.2. Need to be darker. Goody. Why is not darker? Why we can't see box shadow? 0.4. Okay. Let's have a background color of this color but lighter. Or let's make this darker. Like that. Okay, something's happening. My code is just me. Movie. Something's wrong. I don't know why. What? Wait. Okay. Apparently that works. Then I don't know. Probably because of the height. Yeah, let's not fix the height. Thank you. Thank you, brain. Movie info. I want this to be display flex and justify content space between. Perfect. And I want the movie info h3 to be margin 0. All right. And here I want some padding, some pudding, 1 rem. All right, and we can make color white here. Good. Kind of. Something feels a bit off, but okay. Good luck, Phoenix. Have fun. Okay. Maybe not white. Let's make it not white. Alright. Just the slight thing. And let's play with something we haven't so far. Letter spacing, 1 pixels. Good. Mark, hello. Thank you. Coming from Coding Garden. Thank you for watching the first time. I hope you'll enjoy and learn something. Movie info, I have a span, and I want this to be the same color as the background of this, like that, and I want it to have a slight padding. Okay, something like that. Maybe 0.5 on the sides, and a border radius. Border radius 3 pixels. Okay. Is it just me or it doesn't seem to be centered for some reason? It seems like it has its own. It does seem to look centered there. Oh well, maybe just my. Oh, okay. So the image has something. You see that white space, the space above there? That's what we need to fix. Maybe I can. Where is the image? Max weight, and let's make it height 400 pixels. Okay, I guess let's make it the weight 100%, and we can do object fit cover like that. All right. Still, that part of the image doesn't work well. Display non-block. No. Image has its own brain. Okay, then just do 0, 1 rem, 1 rem. Alright, we offsetted that, and now we don't need this mumbo jumbo anymore. Good. Goody, 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 goody. This looks not bad. I guess we could try having these colors dependent on the rating, just like a small feature for this project. But before that, let's see. This movie needs to have some margin. All right, and yeah, let's use this layout for all the movies. So I'm getting this now. Oops, I removed everything here. Oh boy. Response data, the results. Why did I delete everything? So we need the results to loop over for each movie, and we want to do movie element, document, create element, create element, a div, movie element that class list add movie and movie element dot inner HTML will be this. All right, and we don't need this, we don't need this, and for the image we're going to need, let me close the window just a second. Just a second. Okay, people are noisy outside, sorry about that. Hey, I'm too far here. Okay, good. All right, we need here, we need this, we need this, and we need this. All right, let's see. The first one we need image pet plus the poster pet. The second one we need, let's see, the title here also, and for the span we need the vote average. All right, poster pet not defined. Oh, sorry, we need them from the movie. Let's get them all. Like movie dot poster pet, movie dot title, movie dot all that. So let's get them, destructure them here. Poster pet, title, and vote average. Oh, and now the last thing, we created elements, let's add them to the body. Document that, for now we add them to the body, but we might have just a container for them. All right, look at this. Now we have all the movies and the ratings and all that, the name. Look, that looks weird. And a couple of things we need to fix. Do you do web design for work? I don't design, I just steal other people's design. I copy, I inspire. No, I need design in order to do my thing. I need someone to send me the design. Okay. So that's definitely not what I want. And we can change that by saying align it on center. Boom. And I don't want this to be like that. So we can, as I said, oh, we have a main. Yeah, let's use this. Let's create const main. Document get element by ID, yeah, or by tag name. Query selector main. All right, and we add these to main instead of the body. All right, and now we can play around with the main to be display flex. Perfect. And flex wrap. Perfect too. All right, look at it. We have a list of well, movies. Although you can see that this movie puts down all this. I guess it's not that bad. Movie info. I want this to be flex 1. No. This text pushes down, so this increases. Okay. It's not bad, but yeah, let's add. Let's make this like colored. I need 3 colors. Movies above 8. Movies between. James, thank you very much for the bits. Thank you. Overflow ellipsis. For what? Not sure what you mean. Ouch. I hurt my pinky. Pinky? No. My toe. Windows I use as an OS. Okay. Here for the class, I'm going to use a function which will get class by rate, vote average, and get class by rate function, get class by rate, vote, if vote is greater than 8, return green, else if vote is greater than equal than, let's do that, greater than equal than 8, let's do return orange, else return red. All right, and in CSS, here at the span, we can have 1, 2, 3, not like that, but like this, and we can have green, orange, and red. And the color here will be green, not this green though, like a nice green. This one. Okay. Color orange, I like this one, and color red, not this red though. Something a bit. Whoops. Right. All right. Good. So look at that. Now we have colors. And can we find a movie? 8. Look at that. That's 8. And it's green. And let's make it font weight bold. All right. A small adjustment. Oh, good. We need now 2 more things, which are not that small, but should be decent. Search and movie info. The second one will probably be a bit harder. I want to fix those corners there, so overflow hidden. Like that. They're rounded now. This should also work on mobile. And yeah, be fun. Thank you for the follow, Burke and Terco and Textbeer. Thank you all for following. Okay. Okay. So search. Let's see how we can make search look decent. Search movies. Like have a banner up there. A header. And here have an input. ID search. Placeholder search. Okay, let's style it a bit. Header, background color, that. So that will be that color. So this color. All right. I want it to have padding to rem to be too big. All right. and header input. Well, I want this to be display flex. We could do it in two ways: either flex direction, row reverse, or justify content flex end, like that. And the input, let's make it look like this. Padding 1.5 rem, too much, probably way too much. 0.5 rem. Border radius 50 pixels. Background color transparent. Border 2 pixels solid. This color. What do you say? Not that visible though. Thank you, Mihai. Thank you for the hearts. Header input. Placeholder color. No, I don't like it. It should be way brighter, so like this. All right, I want the font family to be inherit. Okay, and more padding, so 0.51 rem, left and right. Okay, I guess. Decent. Font size 1 rem. Alright, now it's a bit better. So we can type here. Let's give it a class. I don't like to target that many times. Class search. Okay. So this search. And this search and search focus. I want outline none, and maybe background color. All right, look at that, good. And the color should be white. Okay. CSS is interesting. Don't you find CSS boring? No, it's nice. All right, and when we enter here, so we need another form. I mean another, not for this project, but like that, because when we type and we click enter, we want to submit it. So ID form, and we go here. And we move this down, do this and form. And where it is, form. Let's do it here, but I want to move this up because we want to get movies initially get favorite movies, right? By popularity, yeah. Good. So form at add event listener, submit E, and we don't want to submit a form, so we prevent it. But rather we want to get the input value, so the search search term will be search dot value. Shouldn't you hide your API key? Yes, I should. It's just this is just a small project, and I got this key, so don't tell anyone. I got this key from Mihai, and he doesn't mind. It's just a dummy project, so. But yeah, you should hide your API keys. like, I don't know, under your pillow or something. Don't show them to anyone. Good. Now I need to find out. Search. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Mihai. Mihai is providing me with all the API links, API URLs and stuff. So search API. Thank you, buddy. I have the key. I just need to add the query to it. Awesome. And let's see what happens. So if we get this, at the query we put Pokemon, we get one page, page 1, total results 56. Ooh, you could also have like pagination. Maybe another day, another life. Okay, so search API. Basically now, we need to do the same thing, but with the movies from the search. So let's create a function, add movies to, I don't know, show movies or something. Movies, and we get movies here, and then we do this. So we go over the movies and we add the movies to the main, but initially clear main dot inner HTML will be empty. All right, so we clear and then we add all the movies. So here we can go show movies auto response data that results, and we don't need to return anything. Okay, this should work the same. Perfect. And now that we have the search term, if search term, we want to do a couple of things. First, search that value to be empty. Thank you, Major Lift. Although it might change a bit, the list. I'm still writing it. All right, so search value, it's empty. Next up, we want to get the movie. So you know what? Let's use the same function. So we give this the URL, and first time we give it the API URL with the favorites, and the second time here we give it with the search term. So search API plus the search term. Okay, let's see. Do we get Pokemon? No. Why not? Canary property value of null. Script 61. Search is null. Let's see. Search the get element by ID. We don't have a search tag. We have a form, not a search tag. And I guess this form ID form, yeah. And let's do main ID main. And keep it the same all across the board. All right, good. So let's see. Pokemon. Pretty nice. Although some images don't work. Not our fault, I guess. Right? I'm thinking, poster yellow is missing. Yeah, let's check it out to see. Oh, I am not consoling. Let's see, Flash. Yay, this is working. Awesome. We could see if we have a poster image, and if not, and you know what? Let's console.log response data. Let's see what's happening there. Here we can do Pokemon. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth one, let's see. Object. 1, 2. Yeah, poster pet null. Doesn't it have something else? Nope. I mean, I can remove the card if it doesn't have a poster card. Or what else? Just leave it blank. If you want to do pagination, do you can you give a query to page something? Oh yeah, you can. Page 2, page 1. We could page number at the end, yeah. I'm thinking we could have, well, let's not rush. Let's see what all other data we have. Original title, overview, poster, release date, title, genre, backdrop path. What's this? Let's use that. Back. Oh, I think the back of the image. Backdrop path. Let's use this here. Ooh, look at that. Other image. Nice. Okay. We don't get the cast though, or do we? Maybe you can get the movie by the ID and get more information about the movie. Probably. Movie, yeah. So you get, let's see, original title, production companies, production country, spoken language, genre. I guess you still don't get the actors. That's what I wanted, but you get more information, but not all of the information. Oh, you get a budget, which you don't get here, right? Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. Okie dokie. Yeah, let's what should we do when we click? I'm thinking. We already did it for the receipt app. Oh, wait, I have an idea. What if we add the details about the movie on a hover? That shouldn't be hard. And like the overview. Let's try that. So the movie info, let's make this a div with a class of overview. And we can add the overview, which we need to get from here. All right, perfect. And this overview I want this to be position absolute, top 0, left 0, bottom 0, right 0. Perfect. On the movie, we want this to be position relative. All right. I want it to be background color white. Padding. Oh, padding, 2 rems. Like that. And you know what? We can do something fancy. By default, this could be transform, translate y 100%. So bye-bye. And whenever we hover over the movie, hover, then the overview will be transform, translate y0. So it appears, and we can have a nice transition. Transform 0.3 seconds, ease in. Yeah, look at that. And we don't even need, let's make it button like that. All right. I mean, it's not the best, but... And we can say something like H4, overview, H4. Okay. And that H4 needs to be overview, H4, margin, top 0. I mean, we we ended up not having to do a lot of clicking and testing and all that. We just add this stuff. Look at it. It should be good. You just see what the movie is about. All right. Let's do you see it has just a little line there, so maybe 101%. All right, good. And this could work, well, it will work with all the movies. If you do Avengers, I never know to know Avengers like that. Ah, look, I knew. I mean, there will be one issue if the overview is like a lot. But yeah, like here. I guess we can do overflow scroll. Wait. We need to say max height 100%. Overflow auto. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So we fixed that too. And yeah, we can add more things if we want, but we don't. You want to move to the next project. Right? Good. It is hard to customize the scroll bar. Yeah. I mean, if you don't know how to do it, like I don't know, then yeah. Otherwise, I think it's not that hard, but you know, this header looks just a bit off, but done. Project number 6, and we have, is it project number 6? 1, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait. 1, 4. In this rate, I'll get to 10 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, project 6. And we have 4 hours and 30 minutes left. Hello. Thank you. Thank you, Blanky. Is this on GitHub? Not yet. Not yet. But I'll upload it on YouTube and add the code and all that. All right. Let's move on. Can we take a break? I always say that and I end up taking like 20 seconds break. Oh, let's update Twitter. #brag. I mean, here's a lesson. What's this madness? Yeah, madness. 6 apps down, 4 remaining, 4 hours and 20 seconds. 20 minutes left. Uh, 149. We're going in terms of squares of numbers. You're a developer. Breaks are not allowed. Thank you. Nice, very nice of you to say that. This has 800 milliliters. And I think I had like 2 so far. So who needs food when you have water? This is a really cool challenge. Thank you. Glad you like it. All right, let's move on to the next. Let's pray my how do you call it? My desktop won't break. Okay. Have so many notifications. Oops. What's next? 1 second. I'll show you. This is the README. Next up is GitHub profile zap. Give the man some rest. Thank you, buddy. Let's see. Now this is a bit tricky, probably, or not. I mean, it has the same thing, like we want to work with the API and we want to get the profile stuff. GitHub API projects. Let's see, can we find something interesting? Projects. Oh, no. I don't want to use the API to make projects. I want to, let's see, CodePen. GitHub. My back hurts a bit though. Okay. Can you hear me? Hopefully you can. Let me move like here. I think there's a package for working with the GitHub API. GitHub API. Web app. Let's see. Simple GitHub API web app. Pull user data. Oh, look at that. It's something like this. I have a standing desk. I just my cables from my desktop are not long enough so I can raise it. So I have to sit. I was too lazy to fix the cables. So yeah. And I just woke up with this idea to make 10 projects in 10 hours. So it wasn't very planned, you know. Yeah, so something like this, very simple. This should be a simple project and we do it fast. We just need this, really? Wow, really? Sorry. My carpet is all messed up now. Okay. Yeah, so we can get this. If it works, why not? Exactly. I also need the repos. So we can get this, which is so simple. Let's make it look pretty. Something like this. We get an image and make it circle and purple and woo, all that. Sorry. I make fun noises when I'm tired. GitHub profiles. Another project, number 7. All right. We need again a search thing. And yeah, let's get inspired by this. Thank you, Jake Stutz, for this. I mean, I'll use like some idea. Or not. Okay, let's make it pretty. I want this, I need this, I need this.